Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big tax question that stresses a lot of people out. What if you don't have receipts for your taxes? Whether you're self-employed, running a small business, or just trying to claim deductions, we'll explain what happens, what the IRS expects, and what you can do if you're missing documentation. Let's get started. Receipts are essential proof of the expenses and deductions you report on your tax return. They help the IRS verify that your claims are valid. No receipts often means no deduction, especially during an audit. This is especially important for expenses like business travel, medical costs, charitable contributions, mileage and vehicle expenses, gambling losses. What happens if you don't have receipts? If you're missing receipts, you're not automatically in trouble, but you do need to act fast and carefully. For example, if you claimed medical expenses but lost your records, contact your doctors, pharmacies, and insurance providers. Your bank or credit card statements, canceled checks, and even appointment logs can help rebuild your case. For business expenses, look for invoices or purchase orders, emails confirming payments, cell phone records to prove client meetings, travel itineraries and online maps to support mileage claims. Reconstructing records and dealing with the IRS. If you're being audited or asked to verify deductions, you need to reconstruct your records immediately. Time is limited, and the IRS won't wait. Here's what you can do. Use bank/credit card statements as backup. Contact vendors or medical providers for duplicate receipts. Use digital calendars, emails, or phone logs to show patterns of business activity. Estimate mileage using Google Maps, but be honest and avoid guessing too broadly. If needed, prepare a signed declaration under penalty of perjury explaining your expenses. To sum it up, missing receipts doesn't mean you're out of options. But you do need to take action quickly, document everything you can, and stay organized moving forward. If you're facing an audit, missing records, or IRS penalties, SK Financial CPA is here to guide you every step of the way, from tax prep to audit support. Don't wait for last-minute contact with SK Financial CPA today for expert financial help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real tax advice, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your taxes.